think the major asset of the travel industry is the experimental mindset and DNA, let's call it that way. So we see lots of innovations during ITB Berlin. We also have our ITB Innovators, where mostly travel tech and hospitality tech innovations will come up. So I think that this is actually the base for the future, and that gives us a lot of hope that there's a lot coming up. I'm really excited to see how the travel experience will change when AI is kind of completely integrated in all the processes and throughout the whole, let's say, value chain of tourism. So I think that it will be a game changer, and I think that we will not only travel different, but we will also prepare everything very differently. And that all of these partnerships and everything that's going on right now, everyone talking to each other and trying to find a good fit, will definitely change how we're going to travel.